How to use ChatGPT for programming. First things first, come here at the top right, click on your profile icon, click on Customize ChatGPT, scroll all the way down, click on Advanced, and then what you want to do is you want to make sure this is toggled on. Okay? This is the code option. Toggle this one on. What this does is basically it'll help you execute code within ChatGPT using the code interpreter. Okay? Come here, click on Save. Now you can start using this. And if I go check out tools, it is available. The canvas option is there. So you want to be very specific with ChatGPT. What language do you want to use? Do you want to use Python? Do you want to use Java, JavaScript, HTML, CSS? What do you want to use? You want to be very specific. So let's say I want you to create me a website that will show, flight schedules. Okay. Very, very specific. Use HTML. Okay. Use HTML. Be very specific with this. Tell her what language you want to use. What exactly do you want done? Now, let me go ahead and enter this prompt to ChatGPT. And as you can see, it is starting to code this in the canvas. So we're just going to wait for it to be done, and then I'll come here and I'll paste this and show you the output. So it's still coding. We're just going to wait it out. All right, it is done. So I'm going to come here and copy everything, all these lines, come back here, paste it. And as you can see, we have a simple website, and I can go around and play with ChatGPT. Tell it maybe I want the color scheme to be pink, or I want you to integrate a ball game into the website, right? Let's say a bouncing ball game, okay? Now, go ahead and press enter, and you'll see how this will change. So let's wait. As you can see, it is going to start rewriting this code right here. Here we go. It has already started. All right, here we go. It is done. So I'm just going to go and copy everything right here and paste this on the HTML online viewer. Let's see what happens. Here we go, guys. We have a simple bouncing ball game. So really that easy, guys. You can go ahead and use this to code different things. For example, apps. People have used it to create apps, websites, and a lot of different other things. It's really that easy and simple.